Hi, and welcome to Egg-cellent Nutrition. Today we're talking about the protein content in one egg and how it can impact our health. Did you know that protein is an essential component of a balanced diet? And one of the most convenient sources of protein is the humble egg. But just how much protein is in one egg? Let's find out. So, let's take a closer look at the nutritional content of one egg. On average, one large egg contains 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1 gram of carbohydrates. And compared to the daily recommended intake, one egg packs a big punch when it comes to protein. But did you know that there are several factors that can impact the protein content in eggs? The age of the hen, the diet of the hen, and the size of the egg can all affect the amount of protein in one egg. It's important to keep these factors in mind when evaluating the protein content of eggs. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate eggs into your diet for maximum protein. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, eggs can be a delicious and convenient source of protein. Try adding eggs to your meals or incorporating them into snacks like egg salad or deviled eggs. And when it comes to cooking and storing eggs, there are certain methods that can preserve the protein content, so be sure to keep these tips in mind. To wrap things up, eggs are an excellent source of protein and a staple in many diets around the world. Just keep in mind the factors that can impact the protein content, and don't be afraid to get creative with how you incorporate eggs into your diet. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Egg-cellent Nutrition. Join us next time as we dive into the world of egg nutrition. Thanks for watching.